Day 675.
You just hit me with a rock. Yes.
We are shaping out the pool. The excavator probably could have done a better job, but he was kind of a crabby old man.
Aren't you a Christian?
Yes, sir. Loud and clear.
Be nice.
I can say someone was crabby.
I'm not crabby.
Not you,
The excavator.
You can't say that either. He's not here. It's behind his back.
Anyway,
He's a little crabby. But still.
trying to get this, you know, nice so the liner fits well. I was not anticipating this part of the project. I thought he would do a better job. But it's all good, hard work.
Out of the pool.
Except it's really hard work. My back hurts, and I'm not even 40 yet. So, there we are. Still missing 2 panels from Royal, who basically don't really want to have contact with me either. Debbie will not call me back and tell me where my 2 corner panels are. I don't think I'll be recommending Royal pools to all of you watchers out there. There we are.